When I keep saying build your account organically, a lot of people keep feeling like, oh, it's stressful and all that. You want to go through the shortcut. There's no shortcut to anything in this life. You will always come back and face it. I see people coming to my comment section to complain. You can see somebody with an account of about 5,000 followers getting engagement of like 5 views, 10 views, 30 views on your account, simply because you were doing follow for follow on that account. The people that are following you on that account, they are not interested in your content. They are following you because you want to build followers. What is the essence of having followers who are not engaging on your accounts? Yes, you are asking them to follow you, they will follow you. But when they follow you, are they engaging on your content? Because the key to virality is engagement. If you are posting videos and nobody is watching your videos, nobody is engaging on your videos, that video is not going to go viral. The algorithm is not going to push it. Do you understand? There's nothing as building your account organically. It will help to attract the right people to your content, people that want to watch you. The social media space is too wide. Like, you have a variety of content and there's content for everybody. You cannot say, oh, my content will not have viewers. There's viewers for every content. As long as you are good in what you are doing, you are dishing out value, people will follow you. They will listen to you. They will want to learn from what you are doing. Even if it is even singing, you are singing, you are dancing, whatever it is you are doing, make sure you are doing that thing and you are doing it well. People will follow you. A lot of big content creators you are seeing today actually went viral overnight. Do you know it's possible for you to go to bed with 1 or 10 views and wake up with 1 million views? Do you know when I say be consistent with your uploads, I don't mean that you must be posting 10 videos a day. Now, consistency means having a specific time or time frame at which, or range at which you post your content. For instance, you can say, okay, I'll be posting my videos 10 a.m. in the morning, 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and 6 p.m. in the evening. That's when you are doing it 3 times a day. So if you are somebody who posts like that, then try to make sure your posting time is around that frame. Always upload your videos around that time. That is what consistency is. So I actually advise people, if you want to go viral, to post your videos around 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. This actually helps your videos to go viral, because as at this time, people are more relaxed. People are back. People are home. People are relaxing on their phones. They are actually viewing what is happening on social media. And there's something about engagement. If you are posting your videos when your audience are not online, and stop pushing it. But when you are posting your videos around this time, it tells the algorithm, or it signals the algorithm that, oh, people want to watch this video. And before you know it, start pushing that video. You can just wake up in the morning and you'll be so surprised that your video has gone viral. So that is how it works. This strategy has actually made a lot of people to go viral. So if you know you will be trying this strategy, let me know in the comment section of this video and let me know the result or the outcome of it. All right. So if you found this video helpful and you want to know more about content, and don't forget to follow me for more creator tips and secrets that works. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.